From simple office automation, inkjet technology has extended to textile industry and media display industries such as LCD and OLED. The piezo method, mostly used for display print, is a method to push the ink by transforming the piezoelectric element. The strong suit of piezo method is the ability to control the amount of ink accurately by the amount of voltage. Unstable pressure control causes the ink on the nozzle to shake, which results in low quality of print uniformity. Gosan Tech has developed a meniscus pressure controller to improve ink injection uniformity. The pressure controller is operated with digital controlling. Gosan Tech has applied its exclusive digital-controlled pressure controller to precise in-circulator and improve the pressure deviation up to ±2.5 Pascal and enhance the uniformity of ink printing. The meniscus pressure controller is Gosan Tech's own innovative technology for even ink spray, swift and precise digital control, and various applications in inkjet industry.